Greetings for the day, everyone listening to me. Today's topic is none other than understanding probability for making Ludo games, and further, we'll take another example. But first, let's take the example of Ludo game. Before that, let's quickly understand what is probability. So, taking day to day life examples, in your day to day life, we often hear things and we often say things like, it may rain today. Probably Rajesh will top his class. I doubt she will pass the test. So the words may, probably, doubt, used in the above statements which I said, indicate uncertainties. For example, in the statement 1, which is it may rain today, means it may rain or may not rain today. Similar predictions are made in all the cases. Just like that, so probability is the measure of uncertainty. When you measure uncertainty, which is not certain that it can rain, it might rain, or it might not rain. Now, let's say that you are playing Ludo and it's your turn to roll the dice. When you roll the dice, the certainty is that you can get either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, or 6. No number which is greater than 6 you will get, because a dice have only 6 numbers. Now, you will probably think that what will be the possible outcomes for the numbers you can get. Now, the possible numbers that you can get are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, which means that the probability is getting a number less than 7. The sure event is that you will get a number, any number which is between 1 to 6. Now, if you roll the dice once, only one time that is, what will be the chances that you will get 6? What is the chance that you will get 6? Just think about it, that how you will get 6. There is no trick, you just roll the dice and get a number. So now we will calculate using mathematics expressions how can you get 6. The dice can give any number out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 when you roll it once. So the outcomes that are possible are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the chances of you getting a 6 is once out of these 6 numbers, that is 1 upon 6, or 1 divided by 6, which means that you can only get 6 one time because it is not repeated on the dice. It only comes once. So if you roll the dice once, the possible outcome, the favorable outcome which is said is 1, and the number of total possible outcomes is 6. Similarly, the chances of probability of you getting a 1 is once out of these 6 numbers, that is 1 upon 6. Rest same goes with 2, 3, 4, and 5 also. Now let's take another example. Let's toss a coin only once. If you have a coin, that means it has one face, which is head, and the other is a tail. That is only 2 possible outcomes. And the total number of possible outcomes are 2. Because either you'll get a head, 1 that is, or a tail. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Think what will be the chances of you getting a head or a tail. So you will either get a head or a tail. Now you have to think that what you will get.